Hey, this is Ray with Aeria Pro, and let's talk about Black Friday. So Black Friday is coming, it's just around the corner, and we're going to have some pretty cool deals for you. We're going to be clearancing out a few items. We have some Simpole products that are no longer being made in that fashion, so we have a few Excaliburs and Shoguns that we're going to be clearancing out. The new Shogun and new Excalibur is available, but we still have some old ones left over from the old design, so we're going to be clearancing them out. Also, we have some Tucker brushes in stock that we're trying to clearance out, and that's gonna be pretty cool because we're now making that with our rinse bar over on top of it. So the rinse bar you see on the Battlecat will now be available on the Tucker brush, but once those brushes are gone, that's it. You won't be able to get that any longer. And we also have some other really cool stuff that's going to be for sale as well. And the sale's going to run throughout the weekend, but hope to see you then. Right here, I kind of mess up on this. I get a little sloppy, come up, try to go all the way down. I missed a spot, came back. I messed up, go back down again. God. Anyways, still a good squeegee in, I guess. See you on Black Friday.